Hello, good afternoon to all of you architects, viewers, and also to our Dean, Architect Fatima Nicetes Rabang Alonso. So, I will start my presentation. First, my thesis title is Sived Eco Beach Resort, a Sustainable Design, location at the Barangay Sived, Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. And I am Mark James Retreta from BS Architecture 5B. So now let's proceed to project background. The project background: there are some of few existing beach resorts in the province of Ilocos Sur. The Pagsanaan Beach Resort, the Overmore Resort Hotel, the Fiesta del Sol Beach Resort from Santa Catalina, the Punta del Mar, the Arellano Beach Resort, the Ictus Beach Resort from the Alangan, Magsingal, the Montelea Beach Resort, the Playa de Oro Resort, Santa Catalina Beach is one of the most tourist attraction of the municipality of Santa Catalina, the Mindoro Beach Resort. So, Santo Domingo is another municipality of Ilocos Sur that we built and natural tourist spots. One of these is the Sived Beach. It is one of the most visited places in Santo Domingo because of the natural beauty and scenic sunset. So next, let's proceed to project title. The project title is Sived Eco Beach Resort, a Sustainable Design. Keywords: a sustainable architecture, eco-friendly, sustainable construction materials, passive cooling techniques, renewable energy consumption. The main concept of this project, Sived Eco Beach Resort, is a resort that accommodation numbers of tourists, a Class AA resort that can solve a problem with the lack of accommodations, a type of a resort that has 24 hours service to the visitors, a resort that is a self-contained establishment. It is provides for most of the vacationers that stay within the weeks or months and needed while remaining in the premises, like lodging, drink and food, sports, entertainment, and fun. The project location and site. The project is located at Barangay Sived, Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. It is approximately 5.6 km west of the Santo Domingo Municipal Hall. Residential lots and agriculture farm are found in the southeast part of the site. The site is located near at the seaside and surrounded with sand. Residential houses are also found in the eastern and southern side of the project. So as we can see, this is the Philippine map to Ilocos Sur map. This is the Santo Domingo map and the Sived proposed site. The Sived proposed site has a 35,781 square meters, or equivalent to 3.5781 hectares. This is the location of the residential houses on this part and also on this part. Site accessibility. So this is my site. This part is the private lot, residential lot area, the residential lot area, and the agricultural lot area. The two-way access major road with 7.5 meters wide at the north part of the main road. The two-way road minor road with 6.5 meters wide at the southern part of the site. The exit road 6.1 meters wide, that is also the dead end of the road of the site, and the major road at the west part of the site with 7.5 meters wide. Types of vehicles that pass the barangay road: motorcycle, tricycle, car, SUV, PUV van, jeepney bus, truck, and this is the lot bearing. So let's proceed to site photo. So this is the site photo. The existing security house facing south, existing food facing West Philippine Sea, facing northwest, looking south exit road, existing night bar, looking front south, looking southwest major and minor road, the agricultural area, Sived existing signage, major road entrance road, and the SWOT analysis. The vicinity map. So in the vicinity map, here we can see the road going to the site, and we can see the landmarks of the municipality of Santo Domingo, like the Westlock Park Hotel and other parts of landmarks. So now after that, let's proceed also the analysis of vegetation, topography, hydrology, geology, and soil. So this is the analysis of vegetation, the topography, hydrology, geology, and soil of the site. So this is the type of soil inside the site: the clay soil, loam soil, and the sand soil. So also Carabao grass covered the outer layer part of the site. The design philosophy. A room is not a room without a natural light by Lois Kahn. Design goal. This can be increased by application of design innovation that conforms to the problem of the project, such as specialized in climate and living architecture. Design objective. To design is also a consideration of proportion and develop the site at its best location possible. This is also can be developed as a factor on passive lighting system or less mechanical energy uses. Investing renewable and eco-friendly resources and materials can help improve the mobility margin, the overall performance of the project. So let's proceed to design innovations. The design innovations is a sustainable design. Means to design building that can help the environment in global warming. To use of sustainable materials that can reduce greenhouse gas that slowly destroy the atmosphere. Sustainable materials like solar panels, windmills, turbulent hydropower, generating energy to electricity, using materials like wood, any kind of plants, grass and trees, ACC blocks, and many more. Sustainable design approach the energy and ecological conservation in the design of the built environment. So this is my evolution of form. I use the butterfly as my evolution of form. So the evolution form are applied to all building structures. Also, let's proceed to the floor plan, elevation, section, exterior perspective, interior perspective of the main buildings. So let's proceed to the floor plan, the ground floor of the hotel. So this is the inside lightscaping in the center of the hallway, and this is the service core, lobby, entry porch, the restaurant, the offices, and the utility area, the guest rooms, and the summary areas of the ground floor. So this is the hotel second floor plan. In the screen, you can see the summary areas of the second floor, the hotel rooms areas. There are 4 types of rooms: the single bedroom, twin bedroom, double bedroom, and the dorm type bedroom. So this is the hotel elevations: the front elevation, the rear elevation, the right side elevation, the left side elevation. So makikita natin sa elevation na meron siyang C detail. Ito ay makikita natin mamaya yung mga detail ng bamboo wall, the green roof, the roof support, and the BIPV solar panel. So this is the sectional elevation of the hotel. So let's proceed to hotel exterior perspective. So here we can see the bamboo wall, the green roof, the asphalt shingle, and the solar panel installing at the top of the roof. And also the interior design perspective, we can see here the plants, green wall, bamboo wall, nipa window, and organic linen. So let's proceed to site development plan. In the upper right corner of the screen, we can see the legend of the site development. The site area stipulation, the total lot area is the 35,781 square meters. Percentage of total building footprint is 12%. The percentage of total open spaces is 31,310.4751 square meters, or equivalent to 88%. So let's proceed for this one. Innovation, sustainability, or eco-friendly, using the local materials, like we can see on this, the bamboo wall details. The using of renewable materials like solar panels. The site building image we can see here, and the site analysis of the project, and the concept of the site development plan. The next page, you can see the detail of green wall composed of 12 inches of plywood placed at back, moss wall with vegetation, the 1-inch diameter pipes, the 1-inch coconut fiber, bamboo wall or concrete wall, and also the transparent tarps here. The bamboo wall detail on the screen, you can see the bamboo wall section, the bamboo wall details. Here you can see the detail number 1, the bottom mounting bracket U-shape, detail number 2, the upper mounting bracket U-shape, the detail number 3, the 2x2 diagonal wood braces. The next page, the detail of trusses. This is the half truss, the bottom beam, second floor finish floor line, the natural grade line. This is the BIP louvers or vertical solar panel installed, the bamboo wall, the overhang roof support, and this is the wind and heat flow inside the building. Okay, let's proceed to next page, the structural building concept. This is the structural elevations, the isometric structural elevations, the column plan, the column sectional elevation, the column and footing in reinforcement bar, the footing, the beam joints, beam, the support and midspan plan, and also the beam diagram of the building. So in the next page, you can see the half truss detail and the isometric view of the structural concept of the building. On the screen, you can see the detail number 1 here, the overhang support, the wood purlins, the bolt and nuts, the mounting bracket U-shape, and the overhang support, rafters, and the 2x2 wood cleats. And this is the image of the detail number 1. So you can also see the detail number 2 here, and also last the number 3 detail, and this is also the image of the detail number 3. The supporting building perspective of the site. First is the exterior and interior perspective of the multi-purpose hall. Next is the exterior and interior perspective of the duplex villas. Is the exterior and interior perspective of the single touch villas. Is the public shower room, the linen room, the gym and spa. Information and clinic building is the guardhouse, powerhouse, main entrance and exit. And the next page is the site perspective of the project. One is the butterfly concept garden. Next is the public parking area, gazebo's pavilion, the covered pathway or the covered walkway. Next page is the pool area, This is the basketball court or the recreational area of the site. And last but not the least, the bus parking area. So that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching and listening, and sorry for my voice if it doesn't have a good pronunciation ability. But thank you for listening, architects, jurors, instructor, and until we meet again after this quarantine, God bless us all. Take care and stay at home. Once again, thank you.